Okay, so this is the paper of Feb March 2024, AS paper 2. And in this part, we are going to complete database. These are some of the files that are given to you already. So you work for Jenna's Jewelry and will design a database about products, customer, and their order. And then they have given you some details like your date must be stored and displayed in this format. Your currency value must be stored and displayed in pounds sterling up to two decimal places, and all field names must be short and meaningful, contains no spaces. So I need to open and examine these files. So I have all of the files that are being provided to me right here. So we need to first of all open all of the files right here. Combine the data into a single file, sorted into ascending order of product code. You must manipulate some of the data, place the column in this order, and save the spreadsheet file as JJ stock. So this is my this file. So I have the product item, styles, cost price, sale price, all of this right here. So this is M24 bracelet file. So I'm going to open a new file and I'm going to add these details right here. Copy paste all the files from this file, and you can close this file. And I have to save this file now with the name from the question. But before then that, let me increase the size of that so that it's proper. I need to sort these cells and again merge them right here. Now this is done. Now I'm going to take the third file. Now I'm going to do the same. If they are on different places, I'm going to sort them. I'm going to cut them and I'm going to paste them. But it is already sorted. So again, cut, paste here, then close this, open the next file. So basically what I'm doing is that I'm taking all the values from all the files and merging them together. Just make sure that the fields are appropriate. You can sort this with the product code. And the order should be A to Z. Then order prepared by items are fine. It's going to be item underscore ID. I'm going to make them like the way it is. Remove duplication. Change this and now save it. Going to save this as order. As per your question, now we have done. Now we need to design and create a relational database. Now need to create a relational database. For this, I'm going to go into the Microsoft Access. And after that, I'm going to import the sheets that I have done creating. JJ external data, news data from file, text file, browse. Now I'm going to import the files I created customer. Okay, delimited. Okay. First row contain fields. Choose my primary key. Primary key is going to be the customer number. Next, finish. This is be imported, which is the customer tables right here. Right click design view. And here we can set the data types for all of these field names. Save again external data, new data from file, text file, browse, take the another table orders, import delimited, comma, first row contain field names, order ID, okay, own primary key, order ID. So I'm going to go on to the advanced and I'll make sure that your all of these has these correct data types. Like you can see order ID is long integer. Click OK, primary key order ID, next, finish. Save. Okay. Now import the third table the same way. This is for creating the relation. For creating the relation, I will be going to this is the option which says wait a minute. Database tools, relationships, and here you can just click on them and drag them here. Now you can create the relationships. Stock design view. This is the okay. So the problem here is that the spellings are different. So I need to make sure that the field names have the same spelling and instead of a space, they have underscore. This is important when I am creating the foreign key. Now I can make the relationships. So customer number is I'm going to drag and drop with customer number. Remember the spellings should be same in all the three tables. If you do not have them, so go back and give change them. See how I'm dragging it. Product ID is item ID, and this relation is enforce referential integrity. As this relationship was stated in the question, enforce referential integrity, save, close. Now done with the second part as well for 31 marks. Now three parts that create a report in the database to identify all products containing an Opel that were sold to customer with customer number 11225. Create a field calculated at runtime. So now need to create the query wizard. In this question, it says that display in the group header and display for each item. So I'm going to select only the details which I want to display in the show part. See, when you are going to click on them, they are going to be shown. Create a field calculated at runtime called item total. So there is going to be a new field, item total. Like after just clicking on them and showing all the values, item total. This is going to be sales underscore price multiplied by quantity and run. As you can see, here is your exact value in the table, uh, this in this report. The sales price, the item total. So again, design view, cost price is going to be the sales price. Criteria, I'm going to write this like 10, 12, or 25. It says that were sold to customer with 112 and 25. For generating the report, I'm going to go on the report wizard. This is how it should look. So I'm going to take this values. Report should look like this. I'm changing the design here so that it should look like as it is in the question.